Dear viewers, welcome to this video lesson. We all know that eyes are the mirror of our soul. Nowadays, we are spending more time on digital screen, so we need extra care of our eyes. Let us practice few exercises. Now, we'll do some exercise for eyes. Sit comfortably and start blinking your eyes. Feel the stretch, smiling face, and relax. Now, rub your both the palms to generate the heat and place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth and relax. Now extend your right hand in front of your eyes. Look at the tip of the thumb. Now close to your nose. Be sure your head should not be moved, only the eyeball. And extend. Close it to your nose. And extend. Relax. Extend your right hand in front of your eyes. It should be parallel to your shoulder. Look at the tip of the thumb and go up. Your eyeball is moving only, not the head. And go down. Look up. Move your hand and look up. And go down. Now do it with your left hand. Extend your left hand. Look at the tip of the thumb. Go up and down. Breathe in, go up. And down. Relax. Now extend your right hand in front of your shoulder, in front of your eyes. Look at the tip of the thumb. Now make a big circle. While moving the hand, look at the tip of the thumb only. Your head should not be moved. Only the eyeball. Now go for anti-clockwise. Relax. Do it with your left hand. Make a big circle. 3 times clockwise and 3 times anti-clockwise. Relax, breathe in and breathe out. Extend your both the hands in front of your eyes. Look at the tip of the thumb and move with breathe in. Go left and right and feel the stretch. Look at left and right. And come back. While breathing out, come back. Do it again. Breathe in. Now we'll do some acupressure exercise. Both the sides of our forehead, there is acupressure point. Press it and leave it. Press it and leave it. Do it for at least 15 to 20 times. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax. Now we'll do on hand. There is also acupressure point. Just press it, feel the stretch and relax. We'll do for both the hands. Relax. Now sit comfortably for Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Both the hands take position. Spine erect. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. 3, 4. Hold the breath. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out from the right nostril. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2. Breathe in from the right nostril. 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. 2, 3, 4. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold 2. This is one round. We'll do at least for 9 rounds. Now, keeping closing your eyes, sit comfortably. We'll do for few minutes meditation. Breathe in and breathe out. Thank you.